All right. It's J-Rod and welcome to Stocks That Rock. Each week, I turn up the volume on a breakout stock that will rock your retirement account. Today, I show you why my top tech stock for October could hand you a 20% gain or more, and why I call October Rocktober for the stock market. So like I mentioned in last week's video, September straight up sucks for the stock market. Over the last 20 years, the S&P 500 averages a nearly 1% decline in September, and it's only positive about 55% of the time. By far, the worst month of the year for the stock market. And in 2021, stocks are following the September script to the letter. But October is basically Rocktober for stocks. Since 2001, the S&P averages a 1% gain in October, and stocks surge another 2.5% on average in November. Shares normally pop in October from the start of the month through Halloween, and in November, shares consolidate and rip higher starting just before Thanksgiving. Bottom line, we're on the cusp of one of the best trading periods of the year. So to get you ready for a rockin' month of rolling returns, I reveal today's stock that rocks, the one, the only, Lattice Semiconductor, ticker LSCC. Lattice is hands down my top stock for the month. The company is a leader in the low-power semiconductor space, and their chips are used by the tech sector's biggest companies. And their chips are key components in 5G wireless equipment, industrial robots, AI systems, auto infotainment displays, and more. You know, the hottest growth areas of the market. But before I get into why Lattice rocks in October, allow me to explain why the company is set up for a sustainable rally now. As you may know, semiconductors are in extremely short supply because of COVID-related disruptions to manufacturing and shipping and a stimulus-fueled jump in tech device demand. As a result, the wait time for new chip orders has jumped to an all-time high of 25 weeks. That means that tech companies are waiting nearly 5 months to take delivery of chips they ordered today. Crazy, right? Well, that's a bummer for pretty much everyone except chip makers like Lattice. Lattice's backlog of orders is deep, and they've had no choice but to raise prices because everyone and their mom needs chips right now, with no end to the shortage in sight. Better still, Lattice is ramping up their production and tweaking their product line to serve a larger customer base amid the demand. That's exactly the kind of breakout stock I want in my portfolio right now, and it's already under some serious momentum. Since the start of 2019, Lattice shares are up more than 800%, outperforming the semiconductor sector and the Nasdaq by an unbelievable margin. In fact, the stock has already gained 150% in 2020 alone, but things are just getting started. Lattice is one of the best performing tech stocks on earth in October. Over the last 10 years, the stock averaged a gain of 5% in the month compared to a 1% gain for the S&P 500. And the stock has popped by more than 10% in October in 5 of the last 10 years. In fact, Lattice shares rose 20.6% just last year in October, by far their best October since 2011. But with Lattice's semiconductors in such high demand, I think this could be Lattice's biggest October yet. Best of all, as an early bird to the stock, you got a shot at the biggest gains by picking up shares early in the month and holding through Halloween. So to sum up, Septembers are scary for the stock market, but October rocks for stocks, and the surging Lattice Semiconductor is my top stock for Rocktober. That's all for today, but as always, if you dig the content, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Rich Retirement TV YouTube channel so you never miss out on these fast-moving chart videos. And hey, if you've got any questions, comments, or a stock you want to see on the show, leave me a comment on the video or shoot me an email at askjrod@stpaulresearch.com. Thanks again for watching, and for Rich Retirement TV, I'm J-Rod, and I'll see you next time.